As many of you know, I'm Hayden, and for honours, my topic was Explore and Colonise Your World. So, my topic is that I will be building a space station to live in. It is so people can get to go to a different planet and start colonising and exploring other planets to see if they are livable. I will be building a space station to show you where they will be living. The planet I chose is Mars because it is most like Earth. It is easy to travel to and has almost the same gravity and same conditions as Earth. It has water there that we can drink and also has the same environment of people to explore and colonise. This will help scientists and space people. You can give them the chance to study other planets and their conditions so they can compare that to Earth. What I have learned. I have learned that space is actually very interesting considering that the fact I have never thought about it. Fast facts. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. Mars is also known as the red planet because it's red. This signature colour comes from the large amount of a chemical called iron oxide, or rust as you might know it, in its rocks and soil. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury, with a diameter, which is the distance through the middle, of 6,791 kilometres, and that's roughly half the size of Earth. It can get pretty cold on Mars, much colder than our own planet since it's further away from the Sun. At the equator, temperatures can reach 20 degrees Celsius, but at its poles they can plummet to as low as minus 140 degrees Celsius. Mars is home to the highest mountain in our solar system, a volcano called Olympus Mons. Standing a whopping 24 kilometers high, it's about 3 times the height of Everest. You can jump around 3 times higher on Mars than you can on Earth. This is because the planet's gravity, the force that keeps you on the ground, is much weaker. Mars Colony. Unnamed aesthetic cling. Mars Colony. Some of the rooms are a gym for fitness, a movie theatre so people don't get bored, an airlock to safely travel in and out of the station, 3 biospheres for plants to grow for food, an entertainment room with arcade games for spare time, a lounge rooms all over the station for people to chill out, a phone room to contact people back at Earth, and there is also a football field in the middle with a rocket on top of that, which is if you need to evacuate. And at the end is a place where solar power is collected. Materials. Titanium for the roof, fiberglass for football sticks, paint for the football field, titanium for the walls and floor, and sheet metal and mesh for the air filter. I'll be using a paddle pop sticks to build the roof. They are easy to work with and turn out good. For the football sticks, I will make them out of straws by slicing them and putting one in the slices. There is paint on the football field, which I will just use a marker. I will use cardboard as the walls and floor, and also a plastic opener to make the air filter, which is on the inside. This is a sketch of it. This is the online sketch. That's the real thing with a roof on it before it got pulled off. And the main parts. The main parts of my model are the rocket on top of the football field, 3 biospheres which have been placed behind 2 sheets of metal that collect power since they have solar panels on them, and also all those things on the end, which is like for when the astronauts go to the toilet, it gets ejected into space. So yeah. That's it.
Let's give him a clap.